Go for it.
Peace pipe.
Yeah, make sure you don't inhale any air. As much as you can.
Peace, pride, and respect.
No, it's not working. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, where's the hole? Right here. Make sure you really stretch it and you'll actually feel the air coming out of it. And make sure you inhale as much as you can. Not through your nose.
Peace, pride, and respect.
No, it's not working. I don't think you're doing it right.
I used to be able to do that. I don't know why I'm being such a retard about it.
I think I took it as much as I possibly can. So retarded. There's a lot of air. There's not really much left in here, but I noticed when you were doing it that like it wasn't like coming out because the balloon wasn't shrinking. I think you were just sucking on the rubber on it.
Probably.
That doesn't sound right.
Sucking on the rubber.